In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return items on Amazon and get a refund. First, head to the Amazon website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, open the menu next to your profile name at the top right and click on Your Orders. This is where you'll see everything you've purchased. Scroll through the list and find the product you want to send back. When you've found it, click Return or Replace Items. If your order included multiple products, make sure to check the box next to the exact item you want to return. Amazon will ask why you're returning it. Choose the most accurate reason from the list, something like performance or quality not adequate works if the item didn't meet expectations. In the comment box, add a brief explanation of what went wrong. Clear notes help speed things up and make the process smoother. Then click Continue. Next, decide how you want to receive your refund. You can have the amount credited to your Amazon balance, which is usually the quickest way to use the funds again on Amazon, or you can select a refund back to your credit card. I'll choose refund to my credit card here. Click continue. Now you'll select how to return your item. Pick a drop-off option that's convenient for you. Many locations don't require a box or a label, so you can simply bring in the product as is. Next to the option you prefer, click choose drop-off location. Select the store that works best for you and confirm your return. You'll see a confirmation screen showing that your return has started. From here, all that's left is to take the item to the location you selected, bring the product, and follow any instructions shown in your confirmation. It's a good idea to keep any return receipt or confirmation email you receive after dropping it off, just in case you want to track progress. Once the sender receives the item and inspects it, Amazon will issue your refund to the method you chose, either your Amazon balance or your credit card. Refund timing can vary, but you'll usually see status updates in your orders. If you want to double check, return to your orders anytime and look for the return details and refund progress. A quick tip, make sure the item is in its original condition and includes any accessories that came with it to avoid delays. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward Amazon tips and tutorials.